going on, guys? Mason here, hanging out in the shop before we get started for the day. Just want to bring you a quick update on what's going on this week at 5 Bar. First thing on the list of things to get done today, guys, is this 5th gen Camaro SS. Got some dyno tuning we need to get done. Came in for a Texas speed camshaft, coil relocation, some really nice valve covers, and a few other odds and ends. What we got going on here, Cass?
Doing the finishing pass on a custom part. You know, here at 5 Bar, we can't source the part right off the shelf. We have the capabilities to go ahead and make it in-house.
Right on.
Especially if, you know, we're doing a custom build on a car that, you know, an off-the-shelf part won't quite work or is not worth modifying, we'll just go ahead and make it.
Gotcha. What's going on? This guy's Godzilla Mustang over there.
Little prototyping going on. Testing out some feeds and speeds on aluminum before we go hot on a piece of very expensive stainless steel.
Right on.
Or titanium.
Titanium?
Maybe. I don't know. You gotta keep it lightweight, man.
I'm here with Frank. It's a really cool C10 build we're in the middle of. What's going on with this thing?
Nice twin turbo. Well, today we are, I am finishing the intercooler piping mock-up.
Okay.
We're waiting on some parts still, but pretty much need to get the piping all situated so we know where everything's gonna go. And then a lot of wiring and relocating.
This thing should make all the beans, right?
Oh, definitely, without a doubt. We got some nice ball bearing units here.
We'll see how it does. What do you think of that that rock bouncer over there?
For one, it looks pretty scary. You can go anywhere you want, so that's pretty cool.
What do you think it's going to make power-wise?
I have no idea.
We shall see.